If your boat's running or if you're launching, let's take a break and let Heather Baumgartner sing the national anthem for us, and then we'll get going, guys.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at...
Thank you, Heather. Thanks, guys. We're going to move to the point. We'll see you here real soon.
It's time for the Northwest Fishing Reports. Come along as we travel to hidden gems and fishing hotspots around the Northwest. You'll see a little of everything as we fish with top guides on their home waters and bring you the latest in tackle, tactics, and techniques to help you catch more fish. With Aaron Board, Mike Carey, and Rob Holman. Presented by your local Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places.
All right, it's 7:30. Boat number 44, Bill Harrison and Robin Harrison, first out. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Boat number 45, John Loden and Jim Golay. Come on up, guys.
The Columbia River Walleye Anglers Association is dedicated to protecting and enhancing the walleye fishery on the Columbia River. Check them out on Facebook for more information and to join.
So you're jigging, right?
Blade baiting.
Blade baiting.
Pretty slow right now.
It was a windy first day for the tournament. Conditions were rough, but participants still brought in some impressive fish over 15 pounds. The weigh-in process is designed to cause minimal harm to the walleye. After weighing, the teams just take the fish back to the river and safely release them.
Boat number 44 is next to the scales. Bill Harrison and Robin Harrison. They got a big tail sticking out of there, so they at least got one good one in there. You guys get all 6 of them?
Yes.
Perfect. Got 6 fish.
This one for big?
Yes.
Okay, grab that one.
Big fish weight. That's a big one.
14.05.
14.05 on the big fish. Good job, guys. That's an excellent fish.
Do we add them back in?
Total weight for Bill and Robin Harrison.
35.85.
35.85. That's a big bag.
Dang, that's some big fish.
That's a dandy.
You don't want to look at my bag.
Yeah, there's some big walleye in the Columbia.
Yes, there is. Yeah.
For carrying 2 bags, it's a pretty good sign. Big fish for the Jablonskis.
12.30.
1230. 1230 on the big fish. Total weight.
41.10.
4110. 4110 is their total weight.
So you got one in the boat?
Yeah. Oversized.
Oh, you got an oversized.
Yeah, but it's nothing to write home about, but it's nice.
Where are you guys at on the board today?
Not good. We're fishing for pride.
Nice fish. How'd you catch that guy?
Jigging.
You guys getting into some fish?
some little ones so far. A little better weather today, huh?
A little bit. Yeah, it is. Where are you guys at on the leaderboard?
We're sitting in ninth.
9th place. So you're in striking distance.
We're in striking distance. Just got to get some big girls.
Team John and Jim land a 10-plus walleye to start day 2 off right.
How big was that guy?
10 pounds. John and Jim's fishing adventures, right?
There you go. Showing how it's done.
Then my alarm clock goes off and I have to wake up and go to work.
Even the camera crew gets to fish here at the tournament. Another nice walleye, nice eating size. Columbia River Walleye Anglers Association March tournament. Got that guy jigging, crawler and a gold little jig with a blade on it. That's a good eating fish. Now, of course, the guys here at the tournament, they're not eating their fish, they're releasing them. But we're not under any such requirements, so this guy's gonna go in the frying pan. One of the main components when you're walleye fishing, the technique we're using are what are called bottom bouncers. And these are the only bottom bouncers I've ever seen in the store, these L-shaped. But Ted, you have a different setup. And I should note, Ted does a lot of walleye tournaments, so little attentions to details here. So tell us your system.
Okay, I won't give away all my secrets though, Mike. What I'm using is what we call a slider bottom bouncer. I have a little black clevis on here that I attach this single lead weight onto. This is a really simple to put on. Just push it on. Now that allows that to slide, and the reason I do that is when I've got fish that are light biting, they're allowed to pick that bait up and swim with it, and the line goes through. They don't feel the weight like they would on the L-shape. The L-shaped bottom bouncer, you'll see I have a chain on here. It's a chain swivel with a dew-lock snap on it. These chain swivels, dew-locks, all these components are available at Max Lure. In the river system, where you got a lot of current, I put a chain on here because when you're using a spinner or smile blade, this keeps your line from twisting. I don't know if you've ever fished in the current with no swivel on, your line starts twisting after a little bit of trolling. This prevents that from happening.
Another nice fish using Max components and a UV holographic smile blade.
Day 2 turned out to be easier boating but harder catching. The teams that Northwest Fishing Reports interviewed on the water reported tougher fishing.
You're only like 6 pounds off the leader then.
Yeah, probably about 20 pounds off right now.
Yeah, and a 1/10 of a pound behind him on our big fish.
Oh.
So,
oh, that's
yeah.
right.
Yikes.
It was right there.
What was your poundage from yesterday?
35.85.
Well, I haven't caught 35 pounds of walleye in my life, so.
Get your fish on.
get my fish on. I like
Camera
that.
down.
Hello, boat 12.
Morning.
How's your day going?
We got 4. One decent one. Not like yesterday. Yesterday we had a 12.85.
Oh, no.
Yeah, still behind 14 pounds, but we take that right now.
I wish our fishing was better.
Everybody's saying that.
Yeah. Boy, we got fish yesterday, we just couldn't get any big ones.
How'd you do yesterday?
2 fish for 10 pounds. Didn't find enough.
With over $7,000 in prizes on the line, teams, friends, and family watch the weigh-in closely.
Spalding and Chris Shamer with 5 fish. Total weight, Spalding and Shamer.
19.20.
1920 is their total weight. Total weight for Troy and Monty Johnson. Nice bag of fish.
31.30.
3130 is their big bag. 3130, very nice.
Not near as bad as yesterday.
Robin, I understand it was a little tougher day today.
Yes, it was.
But you still came in with a 15-pound limit today.
Yeah, yesterday was much better.
Tyler, so you caught, we overheard you saying you caught like 25 fish today.
Right, at least 25, almost 30 fish probably. Every single one was 18, 19 inches. And it was really hard to upgrade or call them because you're comparing quarter inches and some look fatter than others. So
yeah,
it was a fun day. A lot of fish caught.
Yeah, you had
both three. Scott Hansen and Brian Bell.
Yeah, I think probably 5 or 6 pounds, but it's nothing compared to what some of the guys are catching out here now.
Some amazing fish.
Yeah,
for sure. Yeah.
So,
what did you catch all your fish on?
Everything today. We got crankbaits, jigging, blade baits, bottom bouncers, everything over the last 2 days caught fish. They're really biting.
Jeremy Siefkin and Kimo Gabriel. And they're going to weigh a big fish for us as well. Oh yeah. 14-15. 14-15 on that big fish. Total weight.
41.10.
4110. 4110 is their total weight.
Ted, you had a bit of redemption today.
We did. We ended up with 6 fish today, Mike. It was a little better weather out there too.
The weather was a whole lot better.
Yeah, it was.
Until the afternoon wind came up.
You know, even then it wasn't too bad compared to yesterday.
Yep.
Yeah, it's better than 2 fish like we had yesterday. 6 fish, always better.
Indeed. So the big fish today so far is 15
pounds. Yeah.
That's a big walleye.
There's been some toads coming out of here both days.
This has been a pretty amazing event. Aaron and I, we're really impressed. There's a lot of very skilled walleye anglers here in this state.
There is.
Might be the end of the weigh-in, guys, but stick around. We're going to have awards here real soon. We'll get the guys up on stage, make them talk a little bit.
12 minutes.
Film them.
You got 12 minutes.
Give away some big fish awards and a battery for the big fish of the event. First place, they had a weight for the weekend of 78 pounds, 80. That's insane. That's a lot of big fish. They already took home a check over 1,000 and 2 over 600. This check is for $3,245. First place, Kimo Gabriel and Jeremy Siefkin. Come on up, guys. Get your hands full. I'll hold it for you. I'll have Jeremy hold the money. He's probably going to spend it all anyway. Tell us a little bit about your weekend, Kimo. You guys always do a great job here. We'd love to hear.
Oh, we threw jigs all weekend. I think fished probably less than 20 feet most of the weekend, and a couple miles from here.
Couple miles.
I didn't see Jablonski's though.
Sounds like they didn't have a lot of people around. Did you guys see them? Anybody see them fishing around? Probably not. Great time, great weekend for you guys. You guys always fish well up here. I'm glad that I was a part of it and witnessed it. Great weekend. Congratulations. The person that came back the most today from yesterday gets the Cool Under Pressure Award by Max Lures.
This team moved up 27 places.
This team moved up 27 places today.
So let's have Chad Halverson and Dan Graham come up the stage.
Chad Halverson and Dan Graham, please come to the stage. And Rufus the dog. Rufus probably talked better than both these guys anyway, huh?
Before you get these, you gotta tell us what you did.
All right.
Real quick, appreciate it.
True story, we had such a bad Saturday. I asked him to shake my hand. We had 2 different color cranks. He shook with the left paw. We picked that crank and it caught a 31 and a 30.
Very good. Good job, guys.
There you go. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Great weekend. Pleasure being a part of it.
It's tips and trips, new techniques and locations to expand your fishing horizons.
You got some on there. There you are.
Fish on, Amber?
Yeah. Bottom fish.
55 feet of water, 54 feet of water. Pull that one up to like 47 or 45. Sea bass.
Oh, that's
like
a good one
it
too.
That is a good one.
All right. Sea bass on the troll. New Bay. And we'll catch a lot of sea bass and lingcod while we're trying to get these big kings. That keeps it exciting. You know, there's so many bottom fish out here. It's just impossible to stay out of them.
Another black sea bass.
Right on, that's a good one.
It's a good one. Yeah.
No, that's cut time.
It wasn't that big.
A ling came over and grabbed it on the troll? Yeah. How fun. Let her off?
She popped off. Either that or she was skiing too fast across the water.
Put bait on that or take it?
You want me to put bait on?
I've been tipping it. You don't have to. You don't really need to.
You never get any silvers over here?
I was about 3 or 4 water morning before.
That's how you do it.
Ready to kill all the bean dip?
Yeah.
Sea bass. No complaints there. Fish tacos. That's right. Yep.
Hi everyone, we're coming to you today from Lake Cavanaugh in Skagit County. We're going to be fishing for kokanee. This lake also has rainbow and cutthroat, and for the bass guys there's largemouth bass. The lake is 833 acres and it's 1,000 feet of elevation. It's only about 17 miles off of the I-5 freeway, but it feels a lot farther because you drive those 17 miles on country roads, winding back and forth and up and down hills. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish, so let's go fishing. Wow, this is a nice fish, whatever we got here. First fish of the day, and it's a dandy. So it looks like we got us a cut. Nope, this is a big old kokanee. Wow, look at the size of that kokanee. Holy cow. All right, so this is what's in Cavanaugh this year. There's some big fish, no doubt. So that fish is a genuine 15-inch kokanee, and we've got another one on right over here. Here we go. Another fish. Wow. This one came up. Yeah, lost that guy. Another beautiful kokanee. Got this guy down at 40 feet deep. Wow. Cavanaugh is kind of known for small, skinny cutthroat trout. It's definitely not known for beautiful big kokanee like this, but oh my goodness, we came on the right day. If you're fishing with dogs, this lake is practically entirely private, so you can't pull off anywhere. You've got the boat launch, and there's also on the north side of the lake, there's a strip of land that's right up against the road that's not posted, so we pulled up there, let the dogs hop off and do their thing. So that's a good spot. They were able to get out and walk around a little bit. So just FYI if you've got dogs with you. We got ourselves a late morning bite. This is another 14.5 inch. You can see the spawning colors on this fish. We lost one just a moment ago, cookie cutter. They're big fish this year at Cavanaugh. We're catching these all on the far end of the lake, just down from the boat launch. So that's where you want to head, I would say, here in early September. Go get them.